Hi students, our previous class we had discussed 11th question. See the 11th question, we got answer under root 2 by pi. Now, and one more question, 10th question we got answer minus 7. And the 9th question, by using Leibniz theorem, we got 12 into f dash of 2. So one of the student he told that 8th question is getting answer minus 5 by 2. That is wrong answer. So correct answer is 1 by 2. Okay students, today I am going to start the class now. See the first question, these are mains 2019 questions. How to do this problem? Tell me. Limit x tends to 0 minus x into step x plus mod x into sine step x divided by mod x is equal to, here we know the two formulas, limit x tends to k plus f of x, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h. This is the formula now. Similarly, limit x tends to a minus f of x, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h. These are the two formulas. So use that. Here what they are given, limit x tends to 0 minus given. Yes or no? So 0 minus means what we have to take, students? Limit h tends to 0, in place of x write that 0 minus h into step of 0 minus h. Here h is very small quantity plus mod 0 minus h into sine of step function 0 minus h divided by denominator, see that, modulus 0 minus h. Here step of 0 minus h, that is step of minus h. H is very small value, that is fractional part. Overall that value should be minus 1. That value should be minus 1. Now observe that what we can write, limit h tends to 0, numerator we get minus h into step of 0 minus h minus 1 plus modulus of minus h plus h into sine of step of 0 minus h, that is minus 1 divided by modulus of minus h cancel. Now substitute the limit minus 1 plus 0 into sine of minus 1, and here starting one more negative is there, write the negative. Overall sine of minus 1, sine of minus theta, minus sine theta. Overall, what is the answer, students? Minus sine 1. Which option correct? First option correct. This is JEE Mains 2019 given. Okay. Now I am going to another question, that is 13th question. See the 13th question. This is also same model. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 0. Same model. So directly I am writing limit h tends to 0. That means in place of x, what we want to write? 1 plus h. 1 minus modulus 1 plus h plus sine of, students tell me what we can write? 1 minus, instead of x, write 1 plus h. Outside minus is there now. We get 1 minus minus 1h into sine of pi by 2. Step 1 minus, in place of x we need to write 1 plus h. So here we get 1 minus h. In denominator see that modulus 1 minus h. Step 1 minus 1 minus h. So here we need to write 1 plus h now. Right. But outside minus is there, that's why we are getting minus 1 minus h. See the calculation? Here minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Here minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Here also minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Finally, what we get, students? Limit h tends to 0. Numerator see that? 1 minus modulus 1 plus h, right? That is positive. Plus sine of mod minus h, that is sine h into sine pi by 2. Here h is very small value. It is lies between 0 to 1. Okay. Step of minus h, that value should be minus 1. Go to the denominator, modulus minus h, step of minus h, minus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 cancel. And see that limit h tends to 0. Overall numerator minus h plus sine h into pi by 2 into minus 1, minus pi by 2. Sine of minus pi by 2, minus 1. Denominator h into minus 1. So minus 1 cancel. So here limit term split in two parts. Minus h divided by h, minus 1. Sine h divided by h, that value should be 1. So total answer 0. This is a second option correct. These are not easy problems. So in 2019, 3 problems given this type of model. This is second problem already we have discussed. Okay, students, I think all of you understood now. So I am going to next problem. See the next question. Here, step x denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Limit x tends to 0, tan pi sine square x plus mod x is there, step x is there. Mod x, step x, those type of terms are there, means we can use right hand and left hand. Right hand limit, that meaning is limit x tends to 0 plus tan pi sine square x plus mod x minus sine of x into step x whole square divided by x square. Okay, x tends to 0 plus means this is, we can write limit h tends to 0. Directly I am writing, students, tan pi sine square 0 plus h, that is sine square h, plus modulus 0 plus h, that is h, minus here 0 plus h into step of 0 plus h. H value is lies between 0 to 1. Step h value 0. This is completely is going to 0. Completely going to 0. Sine 0, 0 whole square divided by 0 plus h whole square. We get h square. Now, how to do, students, tell me? Limit h tends to 0, tan pi sine